LUNC mega plan, LUNC project last year 2022, before the launching of the tax bond, the 1.2% tax bond. Till now, Classic have about 5.8 trillion. Some source will tell you 6.1 trillion supply. Now, the plan for the 5 trillion, because the target was to destroy about 5 trillion coins with the help of the tax bond. It is gone and gone and gone because Till Classic, they planned that they will use tax bond and with the help of Binance, with the help of Kucoin, with the help of Crypto.com, with the help of other exchanges to burn out, to destroy trillions of Till Classic LUNC coin. Though initially from the beginning when the tax bond was launched, so many people were happy. Till Classic holders, everybody was like, wow, I think we'll be burning over 300 billion coins in a single month because of the high, they believe that Till Classic will record high trading volume of buying and selling. People will rush to buy. Yes, actually, I think within the first 2 months or 3 months, Till Classic was able to rise and hit about what extra 1.4 billion US dollars was added on Till Classic market cap, pushing Till Classic to the top 30 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And it was good. Before you know it, Binance were able to burn over 20 billion Till Classic coin. Next time Binance did burn for the next 2 months, 3 months, they later burn about 8.5 billion coins, taking the total to about 29. Before you know it, Binance started burning 1 point something billion, and again they burned another 1.27 billion. So you see, gradually LUNC have been able to burn just a total of 55 billion coins, which is not good since the Till Classic launched its tax bond. So the plan to burn 5 trillion is no longer going to be, and Till Classic will not achieve that again this year, because it's actually in 2023. That started in last year, 2022. They were saying before 2022 or end of 2023, Till Classic will burn out over 5 trillion coins. So that plan is gone, because right now the stage Till Classic is the stage where it is over, except something powerful, something supernatural happens to Till Classic for LUNC to burn out 5 trillion coins this year. You know, if almost 15, 20 or 30 crypto exchanges that listed Till Classic decide to join the burning of Till Classic coin, well, maybe Till Classic will be burning over 100 to 200 billion coins in a month. Even with that statistics, it will be difficult, but it is not working. But I hope for the best. I hope to see Till Classic bounce back. I hope to see the burning of LUNC hit a massive rise. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.